long time since I have taken my video because I was busy preparing for my exams and I could not find any time to take my video. So now, without wasting any time, let us move on to our topic. Let me tell you, I am on my journey to Matheran and this is the toy train which would take us to Matheran. Matheran is a cozy little hill station located at a distance of 100 kilometers from Mumbai in Maharashtra. Although Matheran is the smallest hill station in India, but it is extremely popular for the tourists who are looking out for a short trip. Matheran does not allow entry of any vehicles inside, and once you are in, you are completely away from the air pollution and you are surrounded by cool pleasant breeze and lush green forests all around. Matheran has a total of 36 viewpoints from where you can view the alluring beauty of the Sahyadri mountain ranges. The famous points are Eco Point, Alexander Luisa Point and the Porcupine Point. And just behind me you can see a point. This point doesn't have any specific name, but many people call it as the suicide point, and this point is really very dangerous, and in case any person is coming here, so they should be very careful, and especially if they are coming with kids, they must be really very careful. Just here you can see the Charlotte Lake, and this is one of the most spectacular attractions of Matheran, and this lake serves as the primary source of water for the population of Matheran. A visit to Matheran is incomplete without witnessing the tranquil beauty of the Charlotte Lake, and this also serves as a very popular picnic spot for the people. So now this is the Eco Point. It's really very cool. I'm stunned at the charming beauty of nature. I cannot describe it in words. As the name suggests, you can hear screams and yells at this point. Children are very crazy about this point. Not only children, even adults are very crazy to hear their voice back. Come, even we'll try it. Hello! Cool, isn't it? And there are some stalls here which offer variety of local foods like vada pav, kanda poha, soda, etc. Come, we'll relax here for a while and admire the nature in its full glory.
Oh!
The only means of transport here is either by walk or by horse ride. So we have hired 3 horses for ourselves, and now we'll be covering 12 spots as of today.
Bye.
Bye. Gode ko na.
क्या कर रहा है इधर क्या कर रहा है इधर क्या करना